is the third video in that series where we are doing target as 002. Number 31, the question was a sales agent sold 20 pieces each at 1,000 and received a commission of 1,200. So what was his percentage commission? So we must get the amount that the 20 pieces fetched, and it is there. The selling price is 20 times 1,000 to give us 20,000. Then commission is 1,200, so percentage commission is commission over selling price times 100, and there it is 1,200 over 20,000 times 100 to give us a value of 6%. Then we move to question number 32. Number 32 was a table. I hope you remember, it was a table on money orders. That is the table, and this was the question. And to be able to work out that, then we move here and we say for ordinary money order for 12,000, it lies between 10,000 and 20,000, and that cost is 450. 10,000 to 20,000 is 450 for an ordinary money order. Then commission for express money order. Express money order is here. Express money order for which amount? For 21,000. Kwa hivyo iko hapa, na express money order ndio hii 660 ndio hiyo. So the total commission paid 450 plus 660 inakuja 1,110. And then if you ask the total amount paid at the post office, then you have to add the amounts that he is sending. So there is the 12,000 from here, then plus its commission, plus the 21,000 that is being sent, plus the commission. And therefore, once you add that, this is the total amount that he gave out at the post office. You have to add, remember, you have to add the amounts that he is sending. Then number 33. Number 33 is a question on geometry. You are given this. You are asked what is BAD. I've said BED. I have to look for this. It's 180 minus 136 to give me a value of 44. BED is 44. Angle here is 44. Then I redraw my diagram because BED, therefore these two, and these are equal. These are the base angles of this isosceles triangle. So therefore this is 44 also. So this is 44 and this is 44, alternating. Alright? They are alternating angles. Therefore this is 44. And therefore triangle BAD, I have now redrawn it. BAD. Nimeiweka hivi. This is 44. Because this is the same angle that is here. It's here. So this is 44. These two base angles, I have to calculate it. And therefore 180 minus 44, I get 136. Then I divide by 2 to get these two angles. And therefore I get the angle BAD, because this is what I'm looking for, as 136 divided by 2, I get the value of 68. Very well, very, very well. And we go to question 34. Question 34 was a construction question, where we are given question 34. We were given two sides. Construct triangle WXY. Construct a triangle WXI. Ndio So once you construct that, you are given one side and two angles. I hope you still remember how to do that. One side and two angles. So one side WX was 7.5, and then WXY was 100 degrees, and then XWY, YWX was 30 degrees. There you go. So we're supposed to draw a circle that is touching all the vertices. So remember, circle touching all the vertices, we circumscribe. And how do you do that? We bisect the sides. And in my case, I have bisected side WX and side XY. Nimezi bisect na pahali hizo bisectors ni hizo laini. Pahali zina meet, hiyo ndio center O of the circle. And therefore, I'm saying we bisect the sides. I have bisected. You can read that. Where the two bisectors meet, O becomes the center of the circle. So then you draw your circle with center O and radius OW or OX or Y. And therefore, what is required is the radius. And therefore, once you do that, you will be able to get your radius. I didn't do that, but that is the way to do it. Number 35. You are asked which of the following statement is true about quadrilaterals. Ndio hiyo. The first statement is false. A rectangle is not a square. A square has all sides equal. Then B, you are told a parallelogram is a rectangle. That is true. It's a slanting rectangle. That is what we call a parallelogram. And then C, a square is a special trapezium. No. A trapezium has only one set of parallel lines, whereas a square has two sets of parallel lines. Then D, a rhombus is a parallelogram. No. A rhombus is a slanting square. Therefore, it's only B that is correct. Then we go to question 36. Question 36, you're supposed to look for the supplement. You're given a triangle drawn to scale, and you're supposed to look for the supplement of angle ACB. So that is the way that you're supposed to get that. So angle ACB, when I measured, it give me 81 degrees. Therefore, the supplement of ACB is 180 minus 81 to give us 99 degrees. Therefore, supplementary angles, remember, they total up to 180, they add up to 180 degrees. Then we go to the next question. Question 37, you are asked which of the following statement is not true about a closed cube. Here, 37. Now 37, here I had to draw the cube. Found that it has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. So faces plus vertices is 14. Edges 12. So faces plus vertices is 14, not 16. Edges is 12, that is correct. Vertices plus edges is 20, that is correct. Edges plus faces is 18, that is correct. So the only incorrect answer there is A, because the faces and vertices are supposed to be 14, not 16. Then I go to this. This is a topic that we were yet to cover before we were interrupted by COVID-19. So this is drawn to scale, but I know you have done this in social studies. 1 centimeter on the map represents 2,000 centimeters on the ground. Sorry for some interruption. I will continue after this.